To download Tableau desktop software, we'll go to our browser and search for Tableau desktop, and then click on the first link, and then click on start a free trial button on the left of the screen. Then scroll down and click on learn more, and then click on free academic license button. We'll get a form to fill it up. We have to provide our student's email ID to get an activation key on it. I'll just fill this form up. After filling it up, we'll get an activation key on the email we've provided. We have the activation key. I'll click on download Tableau desktop. We have to fill this another form. We have to provide the same email ID we have provided earlier. After filling this form up, click on download free trial. The download will start automatically. The download will take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is done, open the downloaded file. It will ask you to install it. I'll just install it. The installation process will take some time depending on your machine. Let's wait for the software to install. After this software is installed, we'll get a pop-up to enter the activation key that we've received in our email. Okay. The install is successful. I'll just close these windows and open the Tableau desktop software. I didn't get the pop-up to enter the activation key as I installed the software earlier, and the software is successfully installed and we can use it now.